welcome back to Cruising Girls Crew. I hope you are well. So today I have the day off, very exciting, and I only have one thing planned today. I have a massage booked, which I am beyond excited about. I haven't had a massage in maybe 2 years. I think it might be 2 years, which is astonishing. So yeah, very, very excited about the massage I have booked. So woke up this morning, I'm going to go to the gym now and do some stretching, then I'm going to go for my massage, and then I'm just going to like see where the day takes me. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it as much as I'm going to enjoy it.
I will get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side.
Dear, my massage therapist has just let me get changed into a robe, and yeah, now we are going to start my massage, and I'm so happy.
You in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out on me. Let it all out on me. You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then baby, try to believe me when I say that you can tell me
So I
anything.
have just had my massage with Dia. She's just left me to get changed, but that was, I think, the best massage I've ever had. So good. And I am floating on a cloud right now. I'm so relaxed. Ooh. I am so chilled. I think I might have a nap. I'm not really tired, but I'm just so zen.
'Cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make.
What a fantastic start to my day. So I've just got showered and got changed. So now I'm going to go upstairs and play chess. Apparently it's very hot outside, but it's also very windy because we're at sea. So I might be too hot in jeans, but it's a risk that I'm willing to take. Okay.
I won my...
It's not bad for my first ever game. I don't suppose by any chance you want to swap me for taking.
I lost. Okay, so I am on deck 7 at the moment. I've just finished playing chess. Can't believe I lost. So sad. But no, it was good fun. I've just been and changed the jeans because I was right. It is way too hot for jeans, but I still want to be outside because it's a beautiful day. So now I'm going to sit in the sun and read my book.
Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place in it all. Focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same.
Honestly, I am so relaxed. Like, just doesn't get much better than this, really. But it has just gone at 6 o'clock, so I'm going to go and get some dinner. And then once again, we'll just see what happens after. So we've got beetroot hummus, walnut dip, which is gorgeous, and then salad, and I've got like chickpeas and olives, which is great.
Sanctify you. I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself, on the run from yourself. Concrete will shape to quicksand. Just when you think you're in control, but you're not alone. Take my hand, no shame in the surrender to a bigger picture. Birds fly south for the winter, but you ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know you don't wanna burn bridges, but as time moves on, you slipping away from me. But did the ocean breeze pacify you?
I have just got back from dinner and playing air hockey, which I am absolutely abysmal at, by the way. And yeah, just being outside on the swings. Gorgeous evening, just a lovely day, really. I mean, what a day to have off. The sun was shining all day and it was hot outside, so I've come back and I'm going to paint my nails and probably put a film on. I'm just gonna have a very, very chilled evening. Got nothing overly exciting planned, just gonna have a shower and chill. And then I've got work tomorrow morning, not until 10, so quite civilised again. Well, we've got drill tomorrow morning and then work will start straight after drill. So yeah, just all very nice. As you can tell, I'm very relaxed because my brain isn't working properly. I have forgotten how to talk. So on that note, I'm going to end the video here and just say thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed watching me have a day off as much as I have enjoyed having a day off. It has been lovely. But yeah, if you have any questions or video suggestions, you can leave them in the comments down below, or you can DM me. You can DM me over on Instagram at Cruising as Crew, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic evening, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.